So good afternoon everyone. Today in General Chemistry 2, we will be discussing the topic that was assigned in our group, and I'm Rian. I will be the representative or the reporter in my group. The topic that was assigned to us is the effect of concentration on the colligative properties of solutions. So now let's proceed with the introduction. What is colligative property? Colligative property is a change in physical changes, specifically where we add a solute to a solvent. Sometimes colligative property are known as the property of solution or characteristic of solution that depends on the amount of particles of solute. So we have four types of colligative property. Number one is vapor pressure reduction. Vapor pressure reduction happens when we add a non-volatile solute to solvent. For context, non-volatile solute is a type of substance where it does not easily get dissolved. Example is oil. It reduces vapor pressure because solute particles occupy some surface area. Because of this, the result is less amount of solvent molecules, which means less amount of solvent that get vaporized. Example is a salt and sugar. Higher solute particles means lower vapor pressure. Second one is boiling point elevation. So what is a boiling point? A boiling point is a specific temperature where the liquid turns into a gas. The boiling point increases as the amount of non-volatile solute increases. This happens because solute particles disrupts the solvent's ability to vaporize. You have to remember that high boiling point means a lower vapor pressure. Example is adding salt or sugar to the water increases its boiling point. The third type of colligative property is the depression of freezing point. When we add a solute to a solvent like salt in water, the freezing point of solutions becomes lower than the freezing point to pure solvent. Why does this happen? Because the solute particles disrupts the structure of solid, which means the liquid will need or will require much more colder temperature to freeze. Example is a freezing salted water below 0 Celsius. Below 0 Celsius. The fourth type is osmotic pressure. When a solution is separated from pure solvent by semi-permeable membrane, the solvent naturally flows into the solution. So in order to stop this flow, we will need a pressure, and that is what we call the osmotic pressure. Example in plants is when roots absorb water. So that's all. Thank you.